My name is Sadiq. I'm one of members of Aroma choir. During the preparation of this special service, it was not actually easy, but we could see God working through us and even beyond our imagination, because since we knew that we are the one to prepare this service, it was a short time, but we had some guidance from Summoning Co, the wife of our senior pastor. She told us about the story of David, how he could kill Goliath with a small stone, so that she told us also that we have a short time, we have short stone to use, meaning just we don't have so much things to prepare this service. But that's how God works. Even when he told Abraham to move out and go to the land that was promised, God never put Abraham in position of too much preparation. So she gave us the heart of prepare with the faith, so that we could see also God working in us. So we are thankful today. We had a good service, and even now we are thankful that there is opportunity for some people to receive salvation. As we are discussing now, there is some discussion going on of people asking the question which is about salvation, how someone became the righteous not by themselves but through the blood of Jesus, and they became holy as God is also holy. I hope the service will pass also on this channel, but we are thankful that some people received the salvation through this service. Thank you so much.